Mr. Parker, you may proceed.
Well, a couple things I want to address. He's ordered to have to scram and interlock. It's costing him $600 a month. He can't afford to pay for the things he needs to do, such as the 12-step program, the GD program, all those things require money. He has no other felonies, Judge. He wants to complete his probation, and I think you'd also like to address the court, Judge.
So here's the thing. This is the third time, it looks like to me, that you would have been given an opportunity to remain on probation. And then we have aggressive behavior, ongoing alcohol use. Mr. Nichols?
He was put on zero tolerance a couple of years ago, and here we are on the second time.
Third.
Multiple times.
Yeah.
And I don't know what else we can do. So obviously I agree with the probation department's recommendation for revocation.
Mr. Mendoza, you have been given so many opportunities on this probation. I mean, seriously, 3 times haven't revoked you, and here we are with all of these violations.
I've actually done well through the program, through with the supervised supervision. The only time I messed up is when they stopped supervising me and made me go do these things by myself.
Well, I mean, how old are you?
I'm 43.
43 years old.
And I have no felonies on my record except for this.
That doesn't mean anything. You have this felony and you have 6 years hanging over your head, and you've been given all the tools. At some point, you have to take those tools and do for yourself and not come in and say, well, they made me do it for myself. We're done. And so it's somebody else's fault that I kept drinking. We gave you the tools.
If I can get
At this, we're done. No, we're done.
Then kiss my ass.
Around, you can say whatever you want, but you're going to face me and you're going to get your sentence. So I'm going to find sufficient evidence to revoke your probation, and at this time revoke your probation. Sentence you to 6 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections.
In this probation violation hearing in Beaumont, 43-year-old Anthony Mendoza appears before Judge Raquel West after repeatedly violating the conditions of his probation for his third DWI conviction. Despite being given multiple chances over 6 years, Mendoza tested positive for alcohol and cocaine, failed to fully comply with court-ordered programs, and picked up an assault charge while on probation. His attorney argues that the costly alcohol monitoring devices made it difficult for him to afford treatment and educational programs, but the judge emphasizes that Mendoza had already been given numerous opportunities and all the necessary tools to change his behavior. When Mendoza abruptly interrupts with, "We're done," the judge reacts firmly, revokes his probation, and sentences him to 6 years in prison with credit for time already served.